The Mets are on a magical run, and their magic continued last night. This one's brought to you by Kicks Under Cost on Twitter. They are down 3 runs in the bottom of the 9th. They've won 7 in a row now. They're 13-1 in their last 14 games. It's incredible. 3 runs down. Up steps Todd Frazier. It's Little League World Series season, so you know he's going to come through. Big swing and a miss. 2-1. Alonso's praying to his old teammate Tebow. Please help us win. Bam! The stadium erupts. Todd Frazier goes so deep, pimps the hell out of it. Big props to the first guy up. Look at this guy. This guy had his hand up before anyone else. You win. Congrats. All right, let's move on. Yeah, Todd Frazier knew he got that one. How could you not? Throws the bat. Let's go. And Alonso, a little kid on the sidelines. Pretty fun to watch. If you're a Mets fan, he is your darling right now. Just a lot of fun, a lot of confidence, a lot of swagger and joy. The inning still continues. They're tied up. They try to bunt the runner over to get him in scoring position. Nice play here. Doesn't work. He's out. You're out. See you later, Panic. Welcome to the team. You're out. Pop up. 2 outs. 1 more out. They go to extras. We can salvage this. Nope. Going to get another base hit. That puts the go-ahead run on second, and Conforto comes through. Home run in a lot of other ballparks, maybe, I think. I don't know. I didn't do the math. But he's excited. There's the reaction of the bench. They all race. Alonso beats them all. He was on deck, and he's already out there fucking wheels. He beat the base runner, and they just straight rip his shirt off. And then DeGrom's got the Gatorade. Big dodge there. DeGrom's got himself more wet than he's gotten anyone else now. He does come back up, and they're too tired. And he gets him. That's good dunking right there. I like that one. And you got Dom with his with his knee wheeler. How'd he get so far out there? Someone had to push him. We need footage of someone pushing Dom Smith on the knee thing. Cano, he didn't go out there. You come to me. At all times, you come to me, and I'll congratulate you when you come to me. That's how Cano lives his life. Now, this one was brought to you by Kicks Under Cost. Go follow him on Twitter. If you're a sneakerhead or you like great deals, they got what you need.